Vector-based shape tool. Now, if you select this from the toolbar or press the U from your keyboard, you can select one of these: the rectangle tool, round rectangle, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool, or the custom shape tool. This is the option which we will use overwhelmingly for every app design. So click and hold this one from the toolbar, select the rectangle tool. Now from this corner, drag a shape. So now we have a shape, but this shape is filled with white. And we don't see anything since our background color is also white. So we can change the color from here in the properties. From the right side panel, if you don't see the properties, go to Window, select Properties, or we can change the color from the option bar. This option bar, you can only see if the rectangle shape is selected. So, select the fill, and from there select this color. See, this rectangle shape is colored with a dark red color. So, let's transform this one. Press Ctrl or Command plus T from the keyboard. And select from the right-hand side, press Inside. When pressing Inside, if you hold down the Alt key from the keyboard, you will see the size is reducing from the opposite side as well. Okay, just from here, leave it. Okay. So now we have a rectangle shape. Select again the rectangle from the toolbar. And we don't have the stroke. See, it's unselected. Select here. And pick a blue color for the stroke. The stroke is 1 pixel, but we don't see it since it's very subtle at 1 pixel. Let's increase the stroke to 13 pixel. Now we see a stroke or a border around this rectangle shape. Okay. This stroke or the border is a line. We can make it a dash from here. Select a bigger dash, or we can select the smaller dash. And for the alignment, you can place the stroke inside or center or outside. And for the caps will not work here since our stroke is closed all around. Okay, the corner will work. The corner, you can have some square corner or smooth corner. Okay. And now let's see that. Let's deselect this one. The stroke or the border. We don't have any border now. Go to the Properties panel. This rectangle shape, we can turn this one into a round rectangle. See here in the Properties. We have 4 different corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we put here 10 and press Enter, and press Enter, you see all 4 corners have 10 pixels. Because this link together is selected. And see the radius of the rectangle shape, it has 10 pixel radius. But if we increase to 50 pixels and press Enter, now all 4 corners of this rectangle shape have a 50 pixel radius. What happens if we deselect the link and put here 0 pixel and press Enter? See, we have 1 corner is without any radius. And we have the other 3 corners with a 50 pixel radius. So this shape you can use for the app comment container, or the app message container, as you see in the Facebook Messenger. And you can change this corner. Let's select this and make it 0. Press enter. Now you can see you have the upper two corners without any radius. Now let's put back the link and place here 20 pixels. Press enter. So 20, increased 50 to 70. That means it added 20. So the 50 became 70. Unlink again. Put 0. Press tab. 0. Press tab 0. Press tab 0. Press enter. So now we have all four corners without any round rectangle shape. Now let's click and hold select the round rectangle tool. You just saw how we make a rectangle shape to a round rectangle. This time, if we select a round rectangle and if we drag a shape, it would come by default with a 10 pixel radius. We have a round rectangle of 10 pixels radius. We can increase or decrease also this round rectangle shape. Let's make them all 0. Press enter. Now see our round corners are squared. And we can put the stroke here as a line. And 13 pixel, we can change it to 1 pixel, less than 1. Okay, it can be inside or outside, or in the center. Okay, and we can increase the size of the height and the width of the rectangle shape from here. So let's say the width would be 200 and the height would be 100. See, we can resize our shape also from the properties. We can do it also by selecting this one in the option bar, width and the height. And the next one is click and hold ellipse tool. Drag a shape. Now turn it off. Deselect the stroke. See how our shape looks? It's not a perfect round shape. It's like an egg shape. So let's make a perfect round shape. Select the ellipse tool again from the toolbar. And drag a shape. Now, while dragging the shape, hold down the Shift key from the keyboard. And now you see we have a perfect shape. It's completely round. See if we leave it now. Select the Move tool and place it here. See, you have a very nice, perfect round shape. See what happens if I want to make another round shape. A perfect round shape. So while that round shape is selected, which is ellipse 2, and if I select the ellipse tool, the last one we used, that would be selected. If you use the polygon tool, that would be selected. So select the ellipse tool. And if you want to make another perfect round shape, hold down the Shift key and drag. See, we have a plus icon now. That means if you draw any shape now, it would be combined with our other previous shape, the one that is selected. So see the plus icon. If I make the perfect round shape, it would be a perfect round shape. But this shape would be combined with our previous one. See? Select this. See, these two round shapes become one. So let's go to the History panel. Come to the Move tool. So whenever we need to make another perfect round shape, don't press down or hold down the Shift key. Just drag a shape while live, then hold down the Shift key. It would be a perfect round shape without combining with a previous shape. Okay, let's delete this. These three oval shapes. Now, let's select the polygon shape. Polygon shape is selected. We drag a shape. Here is our polygon. It's a three-cornered shape with a 13% stroke. Remember, whenever we make a shape, whatever the fill and stroke were for the previous shape would be applied to the new shape we created. So previously we had a 13 pixel stroke and a red fill color. So in this polygon shape, we have the same. If you select a line tool and drag a line, it would have the same effect. 1 pixel red color, but we see a 13 pixel pink color. Command Z to undo it. So you can see here that this polygon shape has three corners. That means we have three sides selected. Delete this one. If we change this to 5, then press Enter and drag a shape. Now we have a 5-sided polygon shape. Command plus Z. This time deselect the stroke. Color is green. Okay. See, this shape changed because it was selected from the layer panel. Select the polygon tool. Change the size to 8. Press Enter. Now drag a shape here. See, we have now an 8-cornered polygon shape. Fill color is green without the stroke. Let's make a line now. While dragging a line, see, it's moving here and there. It's not perfect. Line is 1 pixel wide. See how it looks. Command plus Z. Again, select the line tool. Drag a line, and while dragging the line, hold down the Shift key. When you hold down the Shift key, see, it's a very straight line. It's not moving up or down. Just a straight line. And the last one is the Custom Shape tool. Select that one. Custom Shape tool. Then in the option bar, you will see a shape. Click the drop-down menu. And then you'll see lots of shape options to choose from. If you don't see all of these, click this one, the gear icon. From here, you see it has for animal, arrow, banner. Let's select the animal. Click OK. Now we have only animals. Let's select the music. Click OK. We have only the music shapes. Let's select a music shape and drag here. Now see, we have a music shape. Now again, select the custom shape from the toolbar, then in the option bar, and the shapes will appear. This time select symbol. Click OK. Select this one, the globe, and click and drag to make the globe shape. If you want to make a perfect shape, hold down the Shift key from the keyboard. But if you hold down the Shift key before drawing the shape, it would be combined with the previous music shape, as we saw with the oval shape while dragging the ellipse tool. Again, select the shape, see all the shapes together, click the gear icon, select all. Click OK, and you'll see all the shapes, and you can get many more shapes from Google. Just search Google for Photoshop shapes. And whatever you need, you can use. So let's delete these three shapes. And also delete this one. Select the ellipse tool. Drag, and after dragging, hold down the Shift key. Make a perfect round shape. Make a copy. Hold down the Alt or Option key. Okay. So now we have these two shapes. One overlapped with another one. Now select this one also, Ellipse 1, by holding down the Control or Command key. So these two shapes are selected from the Layer panel. Go to the Layer. From there, select Combine Shape. Select Unite Shape. And see in the Layer panel that the two layers merged into one layer. See? These two layers became one layer. Okay. Now let's press Control or Command plus Z. Or go here. Move. Okay. Again, overlap with the other one. Hold down the Control or Command key. Select this one also so that both layers are selected. Go to the Layer menu. From there, Combine Shape, select Subtract Front Shape. So the front shape was here on the right side. It's subtracted, and you can see how the remaining shape looks. Now press Control or Command plus Z again. Both layers are selected. And go to the Layout panel, Combine Shape. This time, Unite Shape at Overlap. That means only the parts where they overlap will remain. It became a single layer again. Control or Command plus Z. Both layers are selected. Layer panel. Click Layer. Combine Shape, Subtract. Shape at Overlay. This means where the shapes overlap will be subtracted and the rest will remain. See where the shapes overlapped each other was subtracted. And the rest remains here. So that's it for now for the rectangle shape. And thank you very much for watching this lecture. See you in the next lecture.